If you don't have OneNote working on your phone, or perhaps you don't have access to your phone, or perhaps your phone has been taken away, or perhaps you're not allowed to install apps on your phone, then you can still upload pictures to your OneNote area for marking. The best way to do it is to go via the OneNote app directly. So we're going to click on the Start menu and then click OneNote. If you're doing this on a computer in G09, then I would sit at your usual computer that you sit on during lessons. And what you should see is you should see your OneNote automatically load up in your class. If it doesn't, click on the More Notebooks. So that after you've selected this area here, if this says your name at Sherborne, then it's definitely not the right notes to add it into. Instead, you click here, you say More Notebooks, and then your particular notebook will be listed here. For example, if it was CS3S1, you might see CS3S1 written here, or you might see IT3S1, or perhaps yours is 3S2 or 3S3, etc. So click the right class, and then that will open up your OneNote, and then you'll find your name. For example, if your name is Hussein, then click on the Hall tab within your name, and then if you're adding a new hall, click the Add Page button, give your hall a title, for example, Subroutines, and then paste in your image in here. You could say Insert Pictures and click it that way, and do it that way. Or let's say you already have a picture on your clipboard, you can right click and say Paste, and that will make your hall appear here. So for example, maybe you are taking a picture on your maybe your friend's phone can take a picture for you and then email it to you. Go to your email, see the picture, copy the email to the clipboard from your email, and then paste it into here. Sometimes you might be given a hall on Teams, in which case you go to your intranet site, click on the email, and then select Teams. You wait for this to appear, and in your case, your team will appear as, for example, CS3S1. Now, at this point, you could get to your class notebook by clicking on Class Notebook. And your notebook will appear eventually here. At that point, you could say Open in App. And if you click Open in App, it will say Open OneNote. You click Open OneNote, and again it will open. Just close that again. So back in Teams, sometimes you might get one that is an assignment. So you go to Assignments, and if you just wait for a second, you should see if there are any assignments waiting for you. Now I see a Create here because I'm a teacher, but you won't see that. You'll see here, for example, Python quiz, and I can see that 12 out of the 20 at the moment have turned that in, which means submitted it. You simply click on the Python quiz here, and you will find your particular, yours will look like this, and you will see the link here for the Python quiz. You click on it, and the quiz will load. You answer the questions, and at the end, you click Submit.